Locked out of your Peachtree accounting software because you forgot your password? Don't panic. Let's explore a few ways to regain access while keeping security in mind. First, check if you've set up password recovery options, like security questions or an alternate email address during the initial setup. Peachtree usually provides these. Attempt to use the forgot password or similar link on the login screen. You will usually be asked to answer your security questions. If that doesn't work, and you're the administrator, look for a default administrator account. Sometimes Peachtree has one with a known default password. Check the documentation or online forums for details. Be aware, using a default account can create security risks in your Peachtree software. As a last resort, contact Peachtree's official customer support. They might have procedures in place to verify your identity and help you reset the password securely. This option is always the safest way to recover your Peachtree password, as it involves authentication. Remember that bypassing security measures can compromise your financial data, so always prioritize legitimate recovery methods and strong password practices in the future. Now, regain that access and secure your accounting data.